Hi there, my name is David. Welcome to my channel. Today, what we're going to be doing is the planner for the month of March and April. I haven't done a video for a while, so I just thought I would update the planner videos just so that you can see that I'm still continuing with the planner. So what we're going to do is we're going to show for the month of March and April, and we're also going to change the planner cover. So let's see how this is done. What we're going to do now is we're just going to have a look at this planner. This is a Filofax, Richmond, and I made a cover for it over Christmas because I just wanted to do something for the winter. And this planner has worked really well with this. It's really got nice pictures, and I really enjoyed what this planner had to do. Um, what happened in March was I really got very busy, so I wasn't able to do a March video, and I really wanted to do one, but I really got busy. I had a project that I had to do that was very uh, um, difficult to do. I had to redo the project, and what happened was I just didn't have enough time in order to do a planner video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go directly to March, and I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. Um, Basically, for March, what I did was um, I I started out with a page, and then basically I just did my weekly. And what I also did was I wrote a lot of notes on the projects that I wanted to do. And what I didn't do was do a weekly. I started off the weekly on this page, but only covered 3 days of the actual planner. So this is how my March video went, and this is basically how my March month looked like. I didn't even type it. I normally do a type into these pages of tasks I need to do, but this is how my monthly happened, and I only did a calendar month on 2 pages. And basically, overall, it just worked out really well. As long as I had the notes for the projects, it was fine. I did some post-its, and that's basically what happened. And here's the last of the information I did. And so I didn't really need to do a weekly. Um, for the month of April, I've had to do a weekly because I really needed to do the pages, and I just needed to make sure that all my tasks were finished. Some things I didn't do on this page, I forgot about, then I had to do it later, which would have been better if I had used the weekly page. What I did now was I did the month of April, and I started it out very easily, and I just did some color pages. I really do love the color pages, and I love typing on it. But like the previous month, I decided to improve this a little bit and just do some color pages because I really like them. I started doing this at the beginning, and now we're in the mid month, and basically it's worked really well, and I'm really liking the pages. Here is my weekly, and this is how my weekly has gone so far. I get a bit lazy where I don't do any typing, and so what's happened is I just write with pen in, and it seems to look okay. I also like the just an ordinary pen, just a blue pen, and it works really well. Or I use a gel pen, whichever one, and actually it looks really good. and I really like how this is coming out. Um, I've got uh, I've got into this method of doing six basic blocks for the weekly, and I use one for notes, and then I use the other for the 7 days, and well, it's 8 blocks, and then one is for notes, and the rest is used for the weekly. I really like this simple method of doing it. It's very what I need. It's quite basic. I find that when I do write things out, I can put a lot more detail in as well. So some days require a lot more work than I need. And now also I just use post-its. As you can see on here, I've used some post-its. That's just for my shopping list and also appointments and anything else I knew. I've got 2 specific days that I need to take into consideration, and that's just how my page is. Here, what I'm going to do is a task a list of some sort, and this is going to be what will carry on into the next month. And so, as this month is continuing, I'm just working on it, and this is what I'll be doing for the moment. I've basically done the months, and I've included two. I've used one block for 2 days because I didn't want to start a whole new month just for 2 days. So what I've done is I've left these blank for the next month, and then I will start doing my monthly calendar on 2 separate pages. So that's basically what I've done for here, and that's kind of what my plan is looking like at the moment. I'm actually liking it very much because it's kind of it's working the way I want it to work, and it's just looking really great. And I'm quite pleased with the whole page setup, and I'm also enjoying the colors. But what I also want to do now is I'm going to change this planner for spring, and I'm just going to use a temporary planner just for fun because I've got a planner that I've never used, and I would like to use it for spring just for a few weeks before I decide on what plan I'm going to use for the summer. So let's have a look at that and see what I'm going to use. What I'm going to change the planner with is with this Filofax Domino. I got this on a special, but I've never used it, and I just thought it would be nice to get it. It came with a whole lot of stuff with it, which I haven't used except the notes, and I thought, well, I'll just put some notes in, and it came with this. So I just thought this would be a really nice planner just to use temporarily, and let's see how we can set it up. Uh, what I found for this planner for the summer for this Filofax Domino, I wanted to do a dashboard, so I went online and I went to look for pictures and stuff, and I found this photo, and I decided to have it enlarged, and this is how it's come out. It's actually kind of retro looking, and I just thought this would be a nice a front cover to act as a dashboard. So basically what we're going to do now is I've pre-marked the holes, and we are going to just punch the holes for this, which is really quite simple. And what I'm going to do is just like I say, use this as a dashboard, and this will be my front cover. I didn't want to get anything too colorful, and because the plan is quite colorful as it is, and so I just wanted to just do a slight tone down, and just have a picture that would be more useful to use for this plan. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to open this, and we're going to just insert these monthly the monthlies in, and I will just do that now quickly, and then we can change the cover for the planner. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take these pins off, these paper clips, and we're just going to change the page. I like to keep these pages. Um, I don't do a thing where I throw the pages away. I often keep these. You never know when you can use this again, and so this is something I really liked, and this was great for the winter. So I really enjoyed this. So I'll be keeping this, and I'll use it somewhere else again, or I'll use it into another planner that I'm not using so much, and this can go in there. So here's the other picture that I'm going to put in. And I can see it's kind of working already. So let's get this clipped in. So I clip it in. This is basically my dashboard. I put post-its on here, and it's actually a very useful page. This is probably also one of the reasons why I haven't done a lot of work during March, because I had post-its, and I put the post-its on the front dashboard, and that actually works as a way to do the work that I need to do. Um, this is a really simple way of doing a dashboard, but it's also one where you don't have to have lamination. I don't really like laminated pages, because the reason being is you end up throwing it away, and I hate throwing and wasting stuff. So basically, this is what I want to do for this page. The last thing I do is wait, I forgot to do this. I forgot the plastic sheet on top. Let me just redo this a little bit. And basically we're going to do the plastic on top. I don't use a lot of clips either. These are just good enough to use. I use about 3. Sometimes I use 4. It just depends. But this one is I just got 3 at the moment. So sometimes I change the clip colors, and it's just a case of choosing what you want for your planner. What I'll be doing now is I'm also going to put elastic bands on. I often put elastic bands on it, because I use the elastic bands to put sheets in. I also use the elastic bands as a kind of little bit of a protection, because when it lies on the surface, it kind of lies on the elastic bands first. And so I will be putting 4 of these elastic bands on, and let's have a look when it's finished. So this is the final setup for this planner. I put 4 elastic bands on, and basically what happens is that just kind of acts like a step. So when the planner's lying, it just kind of protects the surface a little bit. I do this for all my planners, because it's just an easier way to keep the planner for longer, and then I don't have to do so many purchases. I find that this works really well, and your planner can last a lot longer with these elastic bands. Here it is on the inside. It's really quite simple. I've enjoyed how this works. It's really seems to work really well with the pictures and stuff. And so I'm just kind of pleased with the general setup of this planner. It came with a transparent ruler, plastic ruler. So I'll just stick with the plastic one, and this is basically for my spring planner that I'll be using. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and I will be looking at the next project soon. So I will see you then.